Today they hire us to clean a baby's bedroom because the owner of the house, she is expecting a baby, so she wants to deep clean the carpet. They have a dog, but some accidents, so Sonia just finished to vacuum. We're gonna pre-treat, but we put inside first, let it work for 30 minutes. In the meantime, scrub, and then with a bomb sprayer, treat the spot areas and rinse with the Truckmount. Thank you for watching. This is how it looks, the master bedroom. The owner has a dog that has some accidents on the carpet, and you can see right away where the spots are. Maybe they tried to clean it with no good results. Maybe they leave it like wet and step on it, and the dirt isn't blend into the fibers of the carpet. So this shot is before Sonia vacuum, and now we're gonna pre-scrub the carpet with an enzyme cleaner. In the master bedroom, Sonia is spraying the enzyme and scrubbing at the same time. We have to wait 30 minutes minimum for the enzymes to break any organic matter from the fiber. It was dog stains, pee stains. This shot is after we rinse with the Truckmount, and also we use the Phonics OP machine with the pad to speed drying and remove a little more of the soil from the carpet. We want to dry really fast these two small bedrooms because they needed a sap. And then we use the hose from the vacuum with the rake bottom, and we rake the carpet and absorb any kind of fibers left from the carpet. This is the kitchen room that came really good after we extract, and then Sonia went to rake the carpet or ruin the carpet. This is the machine, and the water was really dirty. You can see it right away. Thank you for watching. Sometimes we cannot record every step, everything, because we are working. But thank you for watching. Anyhousecleaning.com. Bye bye.